A historic move. President Joe Biden called for Supreme Court reforms, an endeavor that would require a constitutional amendment. It's a plan that likely won't get passed in his last 99 days in office, but is something many voters have called for in recent months, mostly in response to questionable relationships and gifts accepted by Supreme Court justices. The first code of ethics for the court wasn't introduced until just last year. Now, an enforceable code of ethics is one of Biden's proposed reforms. It would require justices to disclose their gifts, refrain from political activity, and recuse themselves on cases where they have a conflict of interest. He said in an op-ed for the Washington Post that no one should be above the law. He also called on Congress to pass term limits for justices set at 18 years. Lastly, Biden proposed a constitutional amendment to make it clear no president is above the law or immune from crimes they committed as president. To do so, it would need to be proposed by a 2/3 vote in the House and Senate or requested by at least 34 states. A constitutional amendment has not been successful since 1992, but it is a move that most Americans seem to agree with. According to an Associated Press poll from 2023, 2/3 of people want some sort of age limit on Supreme Court justices. Democrats were more likely than Republicans to vote this way, but both majorities seem to have shared the sentiment.